The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. This one I cut this, you said what? Don't fucking be that. I don't see that one anymore.
Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall. Now the man that I see in the video a while ago that is being arrested by police officers, it is said that that man had murdered one of his relatives and wounded another. Now in the wee hours of the morning, like after midnight on August the 25th, 2019, that is Sunday, it has been reported that this man, which is 19-year-old, has chopped his relative to death. The deceased is known as 39 years old Alistra Mac, which is also known as Roxanne Mac, from a place that is called Chin Chin Road in Las Lomas, Trinidad and Tobago. A family member said that the deceased went to the police station many times asking for help in controlling the suspect. However, it has been said that the police replied that it is a family matter and they cannot get involved. Another family member said that they last saw the suspect on Saturday when he asked for $5 and they have not seen him since. It is also said that the suspect left school with 6 passes, even though he was lacking love and attention, never showed any sign of being this violent. The deceased was said to be 4 months pregnant. Well, alright viewers and subscribers, that one seems to be a very harsh one, you know, something that is a sad story. I had to share it with you, my viewers and subscribers. I couldn't know what going. Big up to everyone in Trinidad and Tobago. Big up to everyone throughout the whole world as well. You know, as always, you know, some days I have to keep you up to date and posted. I couldn't know what going. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments and let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?